Hiding call profiles. Call profiles are the category a call can either be raised against or resolved under. Sometimes we receive requests from customers saying they'd like to delete some profiles which are no longer being used. However, all you need to do is to hide those call profiles that they're no longer being selected by your analyst. There's no need to delete them because if you delete them, you'll end up with orphaned records in the database. Now, in order to view the call profiles, you'd have to go to Administration, Manage Call Profiles. Now, there are two types of call profiles. There's the call profile which falls under category, which is the category under which you raise a call, and there's the resolution profile, which is the category under which you resolve a call. Every time you create a call profile, a code is created in the database in the backend. So if I created in this case, I created a call profile called email, whose code is ML00, and I also created hardware, whose code is HRDW. Same goes for network, it's NTWR, and software, it is SFTW. The reason why I'm taking note of these call profile codes is that if I want to hide them, I'll have to hide them based on the code that they are. In order to hide call profiles, I'd have to go to the data dictionary. I'd have to go to Administration, Edit Current Data Dictionary, and I'd go to Global Parameters, Close Call Form. Sorry, I'd come to Administration, Edit Current Data Dictionary, and I'd come to Log Call Forms Incident. If I want to hide a particular call profile, say for example email, I'll just come here and I'll type code not equal to, my code for email is ML00, and I should OK that. Once that finishes saving, if I go to the log new incident form, and if I come to the categories, I'll be able to see that my email category has been hidden because on the log new incident form, I decided to hide it away. So in this case, the analyst will not be able to select the email category whenever they are logging calls. You can actually hide more than one call profile. So if, for example, you came back to the data dictionary, the log incident form, so far you've got if the code is not equal to mail. If, for example, you just added on something else to say, and the code is not software, if you save that, when that's done saving and you come to help desk, log new incident, if you select your call profiles, you only have hardware and network. The other two, email and software, are hidden. So this is one way you can hide call profiles from analysts, so that analysts are not able to pick the particular call profiles that you don't want them to select. You could also do the same in resolution profiles, but there's a slight difference. If I cancel that and I close this form, in order to hide resolution profiles, I'd have to go to Administration, Edit Current Data Dictionary, Global Parameters, and click on Close Call Form. Now, when resolving a call, we go through when resolving and closing a call, there are two steps that are involved. There's the resolve call part, and then there's the close call part. Therefore, you'd need two separate filters here. So the first filter we'll create, you'd have to create it under close call form. If you click on File, New, String Value, and you specify Resolve, Profile, Filter, and if you say something like code is not equal to software. So if I click on Save there, once that's done saving, I'll be able to access my one particular call and try and resolve it. When I select the resolution category, I'll be able to see that my software is hidden now. So if I just click on something like email and write something like test just to resolve this call, I'll move it from call 12 to being in a resolved state. So now call 12 is in a resolved state. If I then attempt to close it, now the call is resolved and I'm going to, in the process of closing it, I still see software. So which means there's another filter I need to create to be able to hide software away. So I'll just cancel that and go back to the data dictionary. I'll go back to administration, edit current data dictionary, global parameters, close call form, and I'll create another string value, and I'll call this one close profile filter. And I'll assign it the code is not equal to software and save that. Once that's done saving, I'll be able to access my resolved call. And when I click on actions to close the call, in this case, it's expecting a call closure. When I click on resolution category, the software option is hidden, which is exactly what I wanted. So now I've managed to remove the software option from both the resolve call form and the close call form. So which means in order for me to get to that desired state, in conclusion, I'd need to leave my close call form in this state. The resolve profile filter form would have to have code not equal to software. The close profile filter would need to have code is not equal to software, so that I hide software from both the resolve call form and the close call form. And I was also able to hide from the log incident form, I was able to hide email and software. So basically this concludes the little video I wanted to do on hiding call profiles from analysts. Thank you.